My name is Emmanuel Selby, and I'm a senior software engineer. And I work with Shaw GmbH in Germany. Yeah, I came to visit, and I am on vacation, so I came to visit my alma mater. So yeah. Yeah, I did foundation to computing, and I did programming, and I did Java, and all the fits about JavaScript, yeah, and CSS. Yeah. 2008, 2009, yeah. Yeah, yeah. At the time, Open Labs, it was one of the best. It was the best in the sense that they don't only teach you the the theoretical part of things, but it's more of practicals. Yeah. The way they help you to organize with yourself, with at the time we had this called ISAs, so where you have to manage your project, and then you have to stand in front of your your colleagues and explain things, and yeah. Okay. The school helped a lot. One, in the form of managing my teams, my juniors, or my my colleagues. So it teaches you how to be a leader, and know how to present stuff, know how to organize yourself and explain with yourself, and do all those things which a leader should do. Yeah, sure. A lot of them. Well, let me say, in my class, I was one of the favorites. So yeah, I had a lot of bond with the those faculties who were more into the programming side of things. I think it's still the best, and they have maintained it over the years, and they have the best syllables to prepare you for the world, in practical terms.